Yeah, that was the one crack that I've been needing. I feel like I can go run right now.
What happened to you?
I don't know. I've had pain for 4 years now. I've literally been on medications too, like even Oxy, and that didn't help. My body fought it.
Oh my God.
So I've been in pain. It's like mostly like the right side of my back, and like my body's gone numb, and like sometimes I can't even wake up because of how bad it hurts.
Really?
Yeah.
Any traumas, accidents?
Not at like a specific time, but I mean I play soccer and like I've fallen quite a bit, but not a specific time I could say, oh that was the time I got hurt or.
Okay. I mean, this is like everything. Like
yes.
Headaches, neck, shoulder, arms, elbows, wrists, upper back, middle back, lower back, hips, like.
Yes. And like sometimes I don't even feel like eating because of like how much pain I am, or I can't concentrate on things.
Really?
It's like been really bad. And like actually today I was gonna go to another chiropractor because my appointment was for Wednesday.
Okay.
And I walked in there, but they said it was like a 40-minute wait. So I was like, let me just call the other chiropractor and see.
Yeah.
Because I actually wanted to move it to Monday.
Oh, gotcha.
But then they told me I was like, you can come in today. So I was like, okay, I'll be on my way.
Cool.
But yes.
Oh, I'm glad. Man, okay. Actually, let me have you stand up. I just want to run through range of motion real quick. Any issues looking up or down?
I just feel like very stiff right in like my back.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now what about leaning into the sides?
Feels stiff on both sides.
On both of them?
Yes.
What about looking over each shoulder?
It feels very tight right here, and then this side not as much.
Okay. And then going down? How was that one again?
I can just feel like the back muscles like pulling down.
Dang, okay. Now in the low back, if you bend forward.
Not much. I do feel it in the very upper back though.
Okay. And then going back.
Yeah, the lower.
Okay. Now is that staying in the low back? Anything going down the legs?
This side.
Okay.
Yes.
Leaning into the sides.
When I lean this way, yes. On the right side.
And then when you rotate.
It feels, yeah, both ways.
Okay. Let me have you lay face down on the table for me. Okay. So let's see. Alright, so I'm checking the leg length. Yeah, right leg is shorter than the left. Right hip is actually raised up just a little bit higher than the left as well. Let me know if there's any pain or tenderness.
No. And the one thing is, I've noticed I don't have much feeling in my back.
Oh, like actual like
Yes.
sensation?
Like, I asked my mom to pinch me and it's like, I don't feel it at times.
Really?
Yes. And I've told doctors and they're like, you just need to work out more. I'm like, okay.
Jeez. But yeah, no, I mean, I know what you're saying with how you said mild scoliosis. Yeah, it's very slight. I feel how it's a little bit here and like this. Okay. I'm gonna start with the massage gun. And I'm gonna start right up top here. Just want to get these little hairs out of the way. There we go. Yeah, I can tell this is all really tight up here.
yeah, that's the one the reg said no one can really get. It's like, and I don't know what makes it tight.
Something caused it to kind of like lock up. It just doesn't want to move right now. I mean, we'll get it to move, but it's gonna take a little bit. Deep breath in and out. Okay. And then bring your arms up. Yep. Are you playing college soccer?
I've been trying for the past 2 years, but it hasn't been going my way. So I'm
no.
hoping this year I will.
Nice, okay. Hopefully get you feeling better, so.
Yeah, freshman year was because of back pain.
Oh, really?
Yes.
See, look at, I mean, literally pain is like holding you back from things like that. There we go. Good. You can relax your arms. Okay. Go face down again for me. Raise your right leg up for me. Any pain with that?
Slightly.
Okay.
Not much.
Raise the left one up, compare. Any pain with that one?
A little bit.
More on one side than the other, or kind of like the same?
Kind of like the same, yeah.
Okay. So then what I want to do, I'm going to do both legs, but I'm going to have you just drop your arms down to the side. I'm going to start with the right legs. Cross your right foot over your left. Good. Uncross, and then bend this knee for me. Good. Pull down. Okay. Now cross the left over the right. Uncross, yep. Okay, and down. Let me have you raise your left leg up again. Good. How'd that feel?
Way looser.
Good. And then up. Good. Okay. Flip onto your back, okay? Alright, yeah, relax this leg. Yep. And then bring your hands on top of mine. Good. Okay. Fall back onto me. Squeeze your elbows together. Tighter. There we go. Perfect. And then now take a seat. Bring that arm up. Bring your other arm up here. Good. Deep breath in and out. Okay. And then, yeah, you can let your arms relax. Okay. Perfect. And down. And rest.
Oh yeah, I felt it all the way down.
Good. Not too bad, right?
No.
Okay. There we go. How'd that feel?
Good.
Come on up. Yeah, you can come forward. Relax right there. Let me have you stand up. More importantly, how are things feeling?
It's feeling pretty good. I just still feel the tightness going, especially this way. I still feel it.
Going.
This way, not so much, but definitely going this way.
Okay, how's the neck?
The neck feels fine. Like it feels way. I can move it a lot more.
Good.
Definitely.
Let me actually have you. So I can check something on that. Let me just set this down. And I'm going to have you lay on your side and then face me this way. So I'm going to bend the top leg. There we go, just like that. Good. And then actually let me have you flip to the other side. Go on your back again for me. Any pain when I push in on either side?
Mm-hmm.
Good. Okay. And then I'm gonna have you flip over onto your stomach again.
Okay. And another thing, I don't know if it has anything to do, but I feel like one side is higher than the other at times, especially looking at myself in the mirror, my ribs, and then it's just a simple pushing, I could hear like a click.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's just like a simple push
So
in the
push,
middle.
that's gonna be a rib that you're pushing back into place.
Oh.
So I bet you with that mild scoliosis, at times, if it's something's kind of like really tight,
Yes.
one rib cage goes a little up higher than the other, is what's happening, because where that curve is at,
Uh-huh.
that curve is like literally right where the ribs are, lungs are at. That's where that curve is.
Okay.
Rest.
Yeah, I felt.
You felt
like
that?
I felt that like right there.
Oh, really?
There was yes.
Good.
Yes.
That was where you needed that one.
Yes, I did. Yes.
Yeah, let me help you up. I want you. Bring this arm back. Yep. Switch arms. And you can relax it out. Perfect. And stand on up again.
Yeah, that was the one crack that I've been needing.
Good.
Yeah.
Just needed that second Y strap with that one.
'Cause I really felt that it pinpoint like where it's been hurting a lot. Yes.
Good.
That's helped a lot. I feel like I can go run right now. Yes.
Not today.
Not today though.
Rest.
Not today, but I felt really like loose. I haven't felt in a long time.
Good. This is how you need to feel all the
Yes.
time. You're young.
Yes.
You don't
I'm
need-
only 19. That's
Yeah,
like-
you don't need to be in pain.
Yeah. This is good.
Rest today, relax, hydrate.
And should I keep massaging like a lot?
You
Like,
can.
what?
I mean, when you say a lot, how much?
Like maybe like twice, 3 times a day or so.
Do you like
Yes, I have
Okay.
I have a Theragun, I think it's called.
Okay.
One of those. So I've been trying that just to get that. I need that I cracked, but like.
Yeah. No, that the massage gun will definitely help.
Okay.
Yeah, I would use that. Yeah, the 2 to 3 times a day. Yeah, completely
Okay.
fine with that.
Okay.
But yes, glad that finally things have kind of like let
Finally,
go.
yes.
Hopefully, even you start regaining like sensation
Mhm.
in your back. Because I know how you said you had your like mom pinch you and you couldn't even
Yes.
feel it.
Yes.
So keep me updated. Let me know how things are going.
I'll probably be back soon. Just to, like, hopefully it doesn't become more stiff again or anything. That's what I'm hoping. But gonna be stretching a lot.
Okay,
That's
good.
what I need.
I know I'll definitely want to see you again. Just make sure and get everything realigned again, just so your body keeps holding it longer. Because I know, well, you've got what? Summer off for...
I go back August 15th.
Oh, okay.
So I still have a while.
Okay, but I'm gonna imagine you've got training.
I train on my own right now, but
Okay.
yeah,
Gotcha.
eventually, yeah. But yes.
Perfect. Well, we'll get you ready, get you
Okay.
going, so then you get on the team this year.
Yes.
So the pain doesn't hold you back.
Yes, I can't keep dealing with pain right now. I just want to get back to playing so bad.
I hear you.
Yes.
Perfect.
Thank you.
You're welcome.